So start reading problem 10 to me.
Miss Bacon's car can travel between 380 and 410 miles on a full tank of gas. She filled her tank and drove 45 miles. How many more miles can she drive without running out of gas?
Okay, so here's her car right here. And her car is traveling down a road. We're going to give her a road. And I don't want to make the road the same color as her car, so we'll change it up. Okay, so here's the road that she's traveling on. And her car can travel how many miles? 380?
Yeah.
Okay.
410.
380 to
410.
410. But she has also traveled some distance. She filled up her tank, full tank right here.
And it's full tank minus 45.
Yeah, so it's the full tank minus 45. So what I got here is she's already traveled 45 miles. So we're going to subtract out 45 from a full tank. But here's the thing. I know that on a full tank, she can travel a distance of 380, okay? So she can travel 380, but we're going to subtract out 45 because she's already traveled 45. So her distance is 385 minus 45. It's going to be less than, I'm going to call it x, okay? However, someday she can hit 410. So I also know that it could be 410 minus 45.
Is this kind of like a or problem, an or statement?
Well, it could be an or, but we've got a keyword in the problem already, and it's going to be real close to both values they give us. Do you see a keyword in there? 410 minus, read that word problem. See if you see a keyword. Between, and it says 380 and
410.
So we know that this is going to actually be an and problem. And she cannot travel. 410 minus 45 is going to be greater than x. So x is greater than this distance because she can travel up to 410. I know that x is at least this or greater. So right here, x is greater than this value, 380 miles. Or x is going to be less. She can not go further than 410. So she can only travel this far or this, or she can travel further than 380, or she can travel up to 410 miles. That I know. Okay. So now I have my inequalities written out. But the next question is, hey, let's solve these. Before we start solving, I'm going to rewrite this with x on the left side, okay? So x is less than or equal to 410 minus 45. Now let's go ahead and just simplify these values real quick. 380 minus 45.
335.
There we go, 335. 335 miles is less than or equal to x on this day. I'm going to rewrite these in different colors. Again, 335 is less than or equal to x on this given day, and x is less than or equal to, and what's this value here?
365.
365. Okay, so let's graph this one. I got 0 way down here. Always put 0 on my number line. And I got 380 somewhere around here. And 410 We'll take that back. We've got new values, don't we?
335 and
We've got
365.
335. 365. Okay. Now, this is less than or equal to x, but x is greater than or equal to, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm reading from the value.
So it's that and then darkened line all the way to 365 and then an open circle.
Yeah, I mean, this is telling me x greater than 335 is telling me all values greater than 335. I'm going to stop right here for now. And let's look at this other inequality. X is less than 365, less than or equal to 365. So another filled in circle at this point. Now my values of x are going to be less than or equal to. And now all I'm going to do is shade in all points in between.
How do you do that sort of a line?
So I'm an awesome drawer. There's a tool that I used. All right, and that is the solution. Oh, let's simplify this real quick before I stop. This really becomes 335 less than or equal to x, x less than or equal to 365. This is your final solution.
Oh, that's so cool.
I think that's right.